Don't cut yourself. Oh, Jesus.
Look her be. Hey, don't do that. Jesus. Jesus, are you okay? Janiyah Lewis.
Jesus. I'm so scared too. Please tell me the hair can fall off. Is it a boy or girl?
She heavy?
No, not really. She feels like my baby brother who's the baby.
Aw, she's so cute.
So pretty.
Her
I know
face
she's
feels...
hot. What is this? This is a toy. It's her snowman. She's about to cry. She came with the diaper.
I thought her hands were gonna be a little bit more
I'm babysitting
plastic.
next time. Oh, Jesus, her hair for real.
Yeah, it's real, I guess.
I have to do it. I'm gonna babysit next time. Her, finish with the diaper.
Is it open?
Yes.
Look.
Aw. She's in her hand. You gonna keep her out?
Look, is it real?
Look at the doll.
Is it like it's real?
You're not gonna keep her outside?
It's not real.
You're not gonna keep her out?
You did the thing that held your baby like that.
You
Here.
stay
I'm gonna
alone.
change her clothes. Jordan, go put this in the house. I'm scared.
Say hey to the camera.
Yeah, go in the house. What's it? It's not ours.
This is baby.
Kiani for Paradise Gallery.
Yeah. Her name is Royalty.
Natalia. So adorable. Look at her eyelashes.
Oh, they're so real. Okay, that's it for the video. Bye.